Hi students, I'm going to show you how to Hi students, I'm going to show you how to do the ALICE personal interest quiz. So you are going to type in ALICE, A-L-I-S, .alberta.ca, and it's going to take you to this website here. You can tell it is Alberta, Government of Alberta website, and you're going to click on Plan Your Career. Then you are going to scroll down and you're going to find this picture of this man and step 1 quizzes to get to know yourself. So next you will scroll down till you see this girl working on her motorbike. It says interest exercise. Scroll down. Okay, so you see here that you first answer the questions is step 1. Then it will give you your top interests, and then you are going to find your occupational matches. Occupation means jobs. It tells you over here that it will take you about 15 minutes to do this, but remember that's for English speakers, so it will take us longer. So now you need to go through this list. There are 50 activities. Based on your results, you'll be able to link to related occupational profiles. You are going to answer the question, how much would you like a job where you? There's 10 questions per page. So you're going to choose like a lot, like a little, neither like nor dislike. That means you don't really care. Dislike a little, and dislike a lot. So first question, how much would you like a job where you direct people on a team? Do you like it a lot or a little? Yes, I like it a little. Maybe you don't. How much would you like a job where you design experiments or research projects? For me, I just like that a lot, but you answer it for you. How much would you like a job where you follow a clear set of rules on a regular basis? Following the rules. I like it a little. How much would you like a job where you work with hand tools like screwdrivers, scissors, wrenches? I would not like that. I would dislike that a lot. How much would you like a job where you start conversations with strangers and make them feel at ease? I would like that a lot. And I'm going to scroll down on the side. How much would you like a job where you organize and arrange activities and events, such as conferences or fundraising activities? So that's like arranging parties and activities for your community. I would like that a lot. How much would you like a job where you analyze and solve problems? That sounds like a lot of math, and I am not sure that I would like that. I would dislike that a lot. Scroll down. How much would you like a job where you follow a set routine? And so now you have to scroll up to see. We remember that this one on this side is like a lot. I would like a set routine a little bit. How much would you like to take things apart and put them back together again? I don't like that. I will click over here. How much would you like a job where you show caring and warmth for someone who is upset? I would like that a little. Okay, so now we can see I checked, I have one circle in each area, and then it says at the bottom, click next. Okay, and then I have 12 minutes left, and I have more questions to answer. So I'm going to sign off here and I'll meet you on the last page.